Days after pleading with India to stop their assault in May this year, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif made a bizarre claim that Pakistan had downed 5 Indian fighter jets. No explanation given, no proof given, just a random claim out of thin air.
जो ही हिंदुस्तान के जहाजों ने पेलोड उन्होंने रिलीज किया, हमारे उकाब झपटे और आनन फानन 5 जहाज जिनमें 3 राफेल उनको मार कराया और उनको ऊंधे मुंह वो कश्मीर पर जाकर गिरे, बठिंडा में जाके गिरे। कल रात को
Then, a few days later, under the Pakistani version of compounding, one fighter jet was added to the tally, and now Sharif claimed that Pakistan had downed 6 Indian fighter jets. A few days passed in between, and now the Pakistani public and even the sports people were celebrating the claim. But then Sharif delivered a googly at the United Nations and claimed that Pakistan had downed not 5, not 6, but 7 Indian fighter jets.
India sought to extract political gains from a human tragedy by spurning my sincere offer of an independent international investigation into the Pahalgam incident. Instead, it attacked our cities and targeted our innocent civilians. When our territorial integrity and national security were violated, our response was in accordance with the right of self-defense under Article 51 of United Nations Charter. Our valiant armed forces, under the stellar leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, mounted an operation of stunning professionalism, bravery, and acumen, repulsing the enemy's attack under Air Chief Marshal Zahir Babar Sidhu. Our falcons took flight and etched their answer across the skies, resulting in 7 of the Indian jets turned to scrap and dust, a decisive response.
And again, the Pakistani supporters in the UN cheered and clapped away merrily, applauding the amazing rate of compounding which Pakistan had achieved in downing the Indian jets. And we are sure that by the time Sharif gets the chance to speak at the UN again, Pakistani compounding would have done its magic and Pakistan would have downed at least 8 Indian fighter jets. We wish Pakistan good luck and hope that they achieve more such victories in future like they achieved during Operation Sindoor and the recent Asia Cup against India. If you want to wish Pakistan good luck as well, just comment 80 in the comment section and let the people of Pakistan feel good about themselves.